So I come to this house to serve some papers, an eviction notice. Been working with the tenant for a couple months now. She's fallen on hard times. Tried to work with her. I think we're 2 months rent behind. She hasn't paid utilities, so now the owners had to start paying utilities. So come to serve the notices, and when I got here, got up to the step and I look inside, the curtains are open, and it's like, oh, wait a minute. Can we see inside here? Oh yeah, here we go. No furniture. So it looks like we got a midnight move on our hands here. They're obviously gone. Let's take a look what they're leaving us with. Oh. At least said clean your carpets before you leave. Guess not, they're not going to do that. Left a little piece of furniture there. Nice clock. Kitchen doesn't look too bad. Scars on the wall. Oh, got me a microwave maybe. Oh, okay, that's broken. A lot of times, oh, sorry, that's loud. A lot of times we find stuff left in the cupboards. These are looking pretty good. Oh, no, here we go. Got some stuff in that one. Got a beautiful toaster here. Maybe we'll sell that on eBay. Oh, what's that? Huh. Oh, that was cornflakes, frosted flakes, but no, it's shavings. Oh, I don't know if you can see this, but looks like they've plugged up the sink too. Oh my, oh my, oh my. This is glass. This is a window. You can't see my hand through it. What do we got here? Fridge isn't bad. Oh. We got some peas. Here's some hamburger too. Hamburger. We do have some stuff in here. So this kind of stuff, like all the sealed stuff, hamburger helper, the canned stuff, if it's not expired, I mean these are open, so can't do anything with those, but a lot of this other stuff we can usually give to like the food bank. What we got here? Oh, looks like maybe they were subpoenaed for something. Let's take a look at the rest of the place. Well, now that's not good. I think there used to be a humidistat there. Storage. Well, okay, yeah. Bathroom doesn't look too bad. Oh, not too bad. We got 50% of the lights working. Tub, kind of yucky. First bedroom. Well, you can see the carpet already. Got your token stickers on the wall. Stuff in the, what's this? Huh. Broken water. Oh, yeah. Well, I guess you gotta have holes in the walls. Otherwise you just, you know, it's not fun unless there's holes in the walls. Oh, and there's a nice little dent back there too. Oh, okay. And we got some holes in the door too. Oh my. My. Yeah, I don't think they cleaned the carpets before they moved out. I think they like stickers. Got some random screens here, not sure where they're from. I don't think they're gonna keep too many bugs out. Look at this carpet. Oh my. There's no smells. Oh, got a nice hole in the door there. Causes just some little stuff in the linen closet. Oh, master bedroom. Look at this. Oops, I spilled my Slurpee. Ah, screw it. We'll leave her there. The walls in this place don't look too bad. Let's get a little more light in here. Here we go. A little more light. There we go. Yeah. Walls in this room don't look too bad as a whole. The carpet. What can I say? I can just sigh. And the owner worked with them. Because we understand. Stuff happens, right? But doorknob handle on the hole in the landing. The blah is gone. Oh! Better watch out for that. That'll kill me. Another good hole. I mean, this is a good hole. Yeah, that's a well done hole. Holy crap. No, can I put some stickers? Sure, one or two. Don't go nuts. Here's praying that these are easily removed. Oh, good. Okay, that's not too bad. Some will actually pull the freaking paint right off. Okay, we got a 1/3 of a complete coffee table there. We got a crib. Got a couch. Got a mattress. Something else back there in the corner, not sure what that is. Walls down here don't look too bad. Got another light over here. Nope. Some kind of a building chair or table. Curtains. What's this? Got me some chips. Oh. It's gonna snap on them, but they're ketchup. I'm not a big fan of ketchup chips. What's going on here? Oh, wow, we got a. Oh, guess she wasn't dark enough. Had to put a pillow in there. Got some random movies. See, and this is a good place for your smoke detector. That'll tell you exactly when there's a fire. It's good placement, you know, close to the floor, not hooked up to anything. All kinds of knickknacks. Got lots of cleaning products. Oh, looks like there's some good cleaning wax. Good cleaning wax for my truck. Oh, is this a TV? Nope. Dirty clothes. Let's head over to the laundry room, take a peek. Okay. There's something. Dishes. There's a nice random garbage pile in the middle of the laundry room. And many bags of garbage. Sweater or something in the dryer. Oh, it's a mask. What do we got here? Oh, that does not smell good. We had some wet clothes just kind of composting in there. Okay, so a little bit of work to do in the house. So let's just shut the lights off here. Lights. Okay. Now this house has a double garage as well in the backyard. Oh, what have we got here? Got a box of Ensure. Another bag of garbage. Oh, there we go. Oh, broken desk, mattress, bed frame, couch. There's a couch in there. I'll be careful, I don't slip and kill myself here. Yeah. Coach. Yeah, you know what? That might clean up. I'll be able to put that on Kijiji. The bike kind of re-exposing itself out of the snow. One good thing, our lawnmower's still here. Normally that would go in there, but I mean, totally up to the renters. She locked. Nope. Oh my God. Oh my. Ooh. Okay. Gate's kind of off its hinges. Oh, holy crap, it is slippery out here. Look at this. Look at this. I feel like I'm on Storage Wars. Oh yeah, I see a back there. I see a storage unit. Oh look, there's a subwoofer there. This is horrible. It's all just crap. Just broken crap. Yeah. So yeah, another day in rental WTF. The unfortunate thing is I have to deal with this. I mean, I don't physically have to lift all this crap out of here, but got to call a garbage company. It's going to cost money. And it's just, why? The why I just don't get. There's all kinds of solutions. It did not have to end this way, but unfortunately, the tenant we had in here decided that, yeah, this is the way it had to end. This is the choice she made. So I guess there'll be more videos coming as I deal with this place. So watch for upcoming episodes. Nothing else keeps me employed, right? Okay, so thanks for watching this episode. Stay healthy, stay humble. If you like what you saw, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed, so go ahead and subscribe. If you got any comments, leave them down below in the comment box, and we shall see you next time. Cheers.